Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? How's everyone doing? We just hit 800 subs. That's crazy. I can't believe it. Thank you all so much. I love you all and appreciate you all. And for 800 sub, this is going to be kind of a part two because I'm going to do an unboxing and a train tour collection. So the 800 sub special is going to be a two-part video. But today I got an HO unboxing for you. Let's get into some live action. Okay, in this box I have a special locomotive I've been wanting for a while for the HO layout. It is another Bachmann, and it is the Bachmann J3A Hudson with TCS Wow Sound. That's right, another TCS Wow Sound locomotive. So just like the one over there, it's gonna have a lot of whistles and bells, which is one of the main things I wanted. And it's Bachmann, so it's super easy control interface. Let's get into unboxing. All right, guys, I have you guys down here because I don't have my tripod, so. Okay, box, nice, nothing broken. There's a little rip at the top here, that's okay. Okay. Bachmann 464 Hudson locomotive TCS Wow Sound. Warranty, instructions. Mine is not equipped with smoke, so I don't really need that. This is all of the functions and stuff. Cool. And here we have a locomotive. I'm gonna switch it around for you. So here we have it. My new Hudson, New York Central. Now I was not sure if I was gonna get this one or the Commodore Vanderbilt by BLI, which is Broadway Limited Imports, but I went for this one. I didn't want to break the bank, but it looks really nice. Looks like it has some separately applied details, some handrails. Nice rivets in there, more piping. Super nice bell. Nice logo and number plate on the front, which I really like. Nice wheels. I don't know exactly the wheel name that I got, but nice lettering too. I like that. Nice and prominent J3A right there. But the only thing to do is to get it on the track and see how it looks on the track and how it performs. So let's have some fun. Beautiful. Okay, so obviously dynamo headlight. Now I'm not going to go through all the whistles and bells, but it does have a significant amount of whistles and bells. But this is the standard whistle that comes with it. And then this is the short toot. We have blow down. Cylinder cocks. And we have water refill. I'll turn up the sound if I need to. I'm going to go through a couple of whistles. So let me go into function page 3 and swap it out.
Original Buffalo Creek and Golly 3 chime from number 4.
All right. Nice.
Canadian National 5 chime.
All right. Some pretty cool whistles.
Canadian Pacific 5 chime.
Nice, nice. The speaker is definitely super loud. I'm gonna have to turn that down a little bit because it definitely feels like it's rattling the tender. It just feels like, I think the speaker only is in the tender, so there's a lot of space in there. But all right, maybe listen to that one already.
Cass Scenic Railway, Shay number 5 whistle.
Ooh, I love the Cass Scenic. Oh, Brent, you like that one?
Central New Jersey 3 chime.
Ooh. Okay, that one's not bad.
Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy 3 chime.
Arriving on track 5, southbound train number 133. Please remain behind the warning line as the train approaches the station. All baggage must have identification. Please have your tickets ready and have a safe trip.
May I have your attention, please? Now departing on track 4, northbound train number 174. Last call for train number 174 on track 4. All aboard!
Okay, so one thing I will say, it was advertised to me that this engine would run on the curves that I have, which I believe are 19-inch, I think, curves, or 20-inch, or 18, I don't know, somewhere between 18 and 20-inch curves. However, I don't know, maybe it's just the way I set my layout up. It does have some problems running around these curves at some higher speeds. So I usually only run it on up to notch 3 or notch 4. I really haven't gone past notch 5 because the front driving wheels seem to pop off the track if I go any faster than that. So that is, I don't know if it's my problem or the model, so I'm not really saying it's on the model yet because it could just be because of my curves, so I'm not entirely sure. But other than that, it runs great. It has over like 15 different whistles and bells, so that is awesome. Right now I have the Cass Scenic Shea whistle on there, which is one of my favorite whistles in real life, so that's really cool. But yeah, overall this is a great engine. Again, if I had, I think, wider curves, I think it would run a little bit better and at higher speeds. But for low speeds and for what my layout is, it runs great. And yeah, I think it's an overall great engine. Bachmann really did a great job. I think the speaker could, the volume could be lowered a little bit, or maybe the speaker could be placed in a different location in the tender, because it does feel like it rattles the tender. It seems to be a lot of space in the tender. You can kind of hear it. But other than that, it's a great engine. It's probably like an 8.5 out of 10, in my opinion. Again, Bachmann J3A Hudson. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you guys on the next train home.